Well, I just received a very important message, and boy, what an important one this is. Can does LiveGood have any products that can make you longer, um, thicker, more robust? And I said this in the wrong way. More robust. Good question. Let's go look at the products. Because boy, when it comes to taller, thicker, more handsome, is there some type of, let's see here. Okay. All right, I'm officially at the Live Good products page. Let's see here. Okay, bioactive complete multivitamin for men. Let's see, promotes healthy aging. Oh man, because when I age, there's nothing more I enjoy than being healthy while I age. Well, let's just hit the darn learn more button. Well, let's see. Okay, there's a description here. Let's see, natural gaps. It fills in natural gaps because when I get older, my gaps are definitely wider and longer and thicker. But yeah, if you take this multivitamin, it'll fill in your gaps, and I think it means your nutritional gaps. Oh, let's see, health problem. Okay, hair loss, skin problems, poor vision, loss of bone density. Oh, now wait a minute. Let's see, longer, thicker, more robust. Okay. Well, you know what? This does have a multi-vitamin type of thing going on. And right now for $10, minus a nickel, of course, for $9.95 plus a couple bucks shipping and handling from Jupiter, Florida, it can help, maybe deal with your poor vision. So if you can't really see, that's probably good because if you're losing your bone density, you don't want to see that. I don't think anyone wants to see that. Although if you make a video of you losing your bone density, can you put it on YouTube? Because I will probably watch that. Oh, weight gain, that sucks. Health conditions always suck. A weaker immune system, hair loss. Probably half my friends wish that would happen sooner in my case. Let's see. Okay, well, you know what? It looks pretty good. So for that all-important question, is there anything for thicker, longer, robust action? You might want to take this multivitamin because you don't want any bone density loss. Protein's good. I mean, that makes you rock hard muscles. I mean, well, personally, I got to be honest, I drink this as a dessert. I know that there's a ton of vitamins and muscle things called protein, but this shit is good. Trust me. If you buy this, buy two, because you're going to drink 3 of these a day just for fun, not for protein. It's just protein is the bonus. Super greens, if it said Superman, so I don't think, the longer, thicker, more robust. But, if you want some good greens, and there's a cool color. That's a good one. I like it. Red's cool too. Pomegranates, green beans, orgasmic Oh, that's organic coffee. Sorry. If we had orgasmic coffee, oh my God, I think my downline would be 2,000 wide and 15 feet deep. So boy, talk about longer and thicker. My matrix would be kicking ass. So, all right. Well, you know what? Seriously, if you want to look at our products, just go ahead, put your name, put your email address. Below this, it just says join Corey. Come aboard, fill this damn website out. There's a whole bunch of cool stuff inside here. There's even hats, caps. You guys want to see one? Of course you do. It doesn't match my red Bike Week thing, but you know what? If you want like a blue hat, look at how cool. Man, you don't need to be robust if you buy one of these green hats. Hell with bone density. I hope my bone goes more dense because when I wear these cool, badass, superhuman strength Live Good hats, man, who needs bone density when you got some Live Good action on top of your noggin? So, all right, you know what? Just look at the website. That's all you got to do, amigo. There's tons of cool products over the next little while. Well, we just debuted a new product the other day. Let's say your bone density hurts. Okay, check this out. We got a new product, and it's limited supply. If it sells real good, our CEO and Nodder, our marketing bad boy director, he says we're going to go ahead and stock this like 5 feet wide and 14.5 feet deep. This is brand new. You guys should just get it. It helps you relax. It supports pain relief. It's got 2,000 milligrams of CBD oil. Man, rub this all over yourself. It's 4 ounces too. That's a big can. It's not like one of those little wimpy ones, like a Visine bottle. $20. Check it out, man. Comparable products, when you rub this all over yourself, it doesn't make you excited. All it does is just do nothing. You can rub hemp all over your extract. My extract don't need hemp. No, I sure the hell ain't rubbing anything on my hemp or my extract for $70. And then this deep blue doTERRA, I don't even know if I have a doTERRA. Is that between, I think it might be by the taint. Well, for $46, I sure the hell, I don't think I need one. So, but no, I'm just kidding on this product that we just debuted. This is only a couple days. We have couple thousands of these. They should sell out within a week, but yeah, sometimes you just, it's like Taco Bell. They come up with like peanut butter flavored tacos or meatloaf flavored cereal. I mean, everybody tries some crazy stuff. And then if it don't sell, no harm, no foul. But like the McRib, everybody wants a fake rib in a bun. And McDonald's, they tease us. They give us McPizza, McRib, McPuppy. I mean, and then they don't serve it. So anyway, check this out though, because if your bone is getting dense, I think if you rub this on yourself, at least you're not going to have the pain of admitting that your bone is dense. So, and then, mix it up with some of that cool multivitamin, and I think that'll answer your question, sir. You can see why I'm not a spokesman for LiveGood. They never let me do a Thursday or Friday call. Dang it! Maybe I can go on Monday with Lisa and her husband. They're cool, man. They're badass. They design all our products, and I know that if they saw me, they go, "No, you're not going to be on a Monday call." So anyway, you guys are stuck with me on my YouTube channel. I'm just here. I'm bad. I'm on the bottom corner of your screen now. When you're bad, they make you just kind of, go up here too sometimes. But okay. Anyway, seriously, just go to joincorey.com. Check out our products. They're badass. They're super, super cheap too at wholesale prices. All you got to do is have a membership for $9.95 a month. And man, you're in the badass category of coolness. How's that sound? All right. I'm going now. I got to go pee. Bye.